Homemade teriyaki sauce in minutes to use right away or can. Rebel Canners, teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways. And we all need a little bit more old ways these days. One cup of your favorite soy sauce, and it can be low sodium. 2 cloves minced garlic. 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. 1 teaspoon finely grated ginger. 2 teaspoons of sesame oil. 1/2 cup brown sugar. Simmer for 20 minutes on low heat. You don't want it to burn. Stir carefully. If you're going to use this right away, go ahead and use cornstarch. If not, use clear gel. Mix water and clear gel together to make a fine paste with no lumps. 3 to 4 tablespoons of cornstarch or clear gel. And you're going to mix that with 1/4 cup very cold water or cold pineapple juice, your choice. Simmer for another 20 minutes on low heat, stirring carefully to make sure it doesn't scald. Ladle into pints or half pints. Wipe your rims, apply your lids and rings. Process for 15 minutes for pints or half pints and 25 minutes for quart. This recipe makes about 1.5 pints depending on how much it reduces down. The recipe can be easily doubled or even tripled to make a full load. And here's a playlist I think you'll like. Like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell.